drops here, and
can't even see
there's
the.
Dojey. It's the crazy drops here, and
There's Dojey. He's been looking for us.
We found a stray dog. I mean, Dojey.
There's Dojey.
And we gave it water. We're feeding it. Right now, it doesn't like. We got it pet food. It doesn't like our kind, apparently. So it's the only choice.
Wait. Do you think we could teach him tricks? He's too old.
Stay. Okay.
He stood. He stood. He stood. He actually stayed. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh.
Stay.
Sit.
Stay. 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 Sit.
Sorry if this video is darkened. It's
Sit.
because it is like super bright.
Stay.
So bright I can't even
Stay.
just see myself.
Yeah.
So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We are just showing Dojey, and we'll do more videos with him.
Yeah. I guess.
And goodbye.